interesting facts for you. And it's been 1 year exactly of complete anticipation to come back. This is great. So, hi. Thank you for not forgetting about us and sticking by us. It's much appreciated. We're going to do how many songs? 1, 2, 5 more. So we're doing 6 in total. So the next one we're going to do is a very catchy lyric. And what you've got to do, whenever we sing Frightening, the next line kind of has lightning in it. This is Lightning.
You're in control, pressing pause on my heartbeat. Summer slow on the air, so I can't speak now. I know this taste is numb. I feel as though my time has come. I was breathing away from the same place, yeah. The skin, the touch, the kiss, the rush, too much. And here it comes. When your lips touch mine, it's the kiss of life. I know that it's a little bit frightening. We might as well be playing with lightning. We just like it's our first time. So good. I've been dancing to you since the birthday. I want to draw such a natural, yeah. The skin, the touch, the kiss, the rush, the rush, and here it comes. It's touch mine. It's the kiss of life. I know that it's a little bit frightening. We might as well be playing with lightning. Touch